Hello! In this video I will demonstrate compatible software with Canon Pro printers. I cover the following in the video, which is organized by chapters. I use imagePrograf PRO-1100, for which you find the product review in the upper right corner video. I have already set up the printer in the previous video, and then I have downloaded and installed the printer with USB connection. Professional Print and Layout is the main workflow software for Pro printers, and I do not cover it in this video. Let's see what else can be downloaded for professional printers from the official download site. I select Software and get the list. Master Installer and Professional Print and Layout are already installed. So let's move on. Poster Artist, but I do not recommend to install as new version runs on the website. I put the link on the screen, and there are a lot of templates that are available to be printed for different purpose. Next is Easy Photo Print Editor, which is a consumer software. Find one of my videos in the upper right corner, and I cover another useful feature of it later in the video. Media Configuration Tool helps you to configure your own media. It has been covered in details in my portrait and art printing video with PRO-1100. Wi-Fi Assistant tool may help you to connect to Wi-Fi. Media information file is added to printer via Media Configuration tool, so the printer has optimal printing information. And there is more, which I cover in this video. Quick Utility Toolbox helps you to manage the printer and its settings. With Device Management Console you can monitor and calibrate the printer. Accounting Manager helps you to calculate cost of printer based on job information. And this is the end of the list. In the next few minutes I quickly install and have an overview of the downloads. First, the Quick Utility Toolbox. Download and run the exe file, and a minute later it is installed. I add my printer, which is connected with USB. Image files for highest resolution printing are huge, so I use USB for maximum efficiency and speed. But I recommend Wi-Fi connection, so the printer gets firmware updates. As printer is not on network, I cannot display printer information. This is why I go to Printers, and in the driver I select Printing Preferences. And then in Maintenance tab I select to open Remote UI. Printer information page opens, and now I can see the status of the printer. I would like to log in as admin, so I need the password. Check the password on the device following the menu. Here are all the printer settings available, including utilities, printer settings and new security settings, where you can select one of the scenarios to set printer for optimal security. More info can be checked in the online manuals as I move on to the next one. After quick download, run the exe file and a minute later it is installed. First, I add my printer, which is connected with USB. I can now select to run calibration on one of the media types. One of the new media is Fine Art Rough, Gallery Premium Paper Quality Matte and Rough Finish. The opposite is High Gloss Platinum Paper, for which I show a calibration process. Select my paper and few minutes later printer has been auto-calibrated for this type of paper. Next is Accounting Manager. After quick download, run the exe file and install. Also here I need to add the printer. In the manuals you can find detailed information. Let me take unit costs, dialog box. So here is where I need to set my ink cost and add media. And then Accounting Manager will calculate your print job costs. And the last one is not only for pro printers, but it can be useful for quick photo printing. Easy Photo Print Editor is also available as an app for mobile. Here I demonstrate custom frame size, which crops the printed image to the exact size that is specified. I select the photo and settings, and this time I only use plain paper. My image has been printed to the specified size and will fit into the frame. And that's all in this video. Find more about professional photo printers in the playlist on my channel in the description, and feel free to subscribe as this helps me to grow and create more content. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye!